my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
I'm keeping that calm shifter on there though.
Oh, you gonna keep the column?
Yeah, because it's got the windshield wiper and shit in there, and that motherfucking column's tight as shit. So.
Oh yeah. I think Mr. Brown was like, if you get rid of that column, man, let me know. I was like, I'll tell him. So y'all see, we are back with the Regal. Something's a little different. Ooh wee!
Like she ready for it.
Shake out the wheels.
Ready to get somebody some smoke. Somebody.
I don't know who that would be.
I heard somebody's building a Mustang right now. Just a rumor.
Ah.
I think what's his name? Jay's?
Oh, Jay's Garage, yeah. Yeah. Get that Mustang. These tail lights. These tail lights. Yeah, she coming together.
Yeah.
They say the rims make car day and night anyway.
Yeah. You want some 14s? You got
some 14 stocks.
Yeah, so.
If that's what you're looking for. Dash mocked up like we showed y'all last time. I think somebody asked what it came out, Buick.
Buick.
Yeah. I think we said that in the video, but
yeah. No, we didn't say what it was. See,
you
almost got me. I ain't done yet. I ain't saying shit. Buick something. Go find one. Hit the thumbnail pause button. Go hunting.
Go hunting. No handouts. Well, man, she coming together.
Beautiful.
So did you finally decided this is the one that's getting the smoke?
I don't know, my brother. I got D Brooks problems, man.
P Brooks problems.
Which one do I turbo? I got your problem, man. I don't know. I'm confused. I'm confused right now, man. Do I turbo this? Do I turbo that? Do I turbo that?
Right.
I don't know. But I think she's gonna get though, because these tires, man, these ain't no damn Ruchis, no Corleones, no 40s, none of that shit. But guess what? They got meat on the tires.
Oh yeah.
I like it. I like how they look.
I like how it sit.
Yeah, and go with that. And then pay 20 grand for the motherfucker. So yeah.
It's a win-win.
Win-win for me.
So what else you got up here working on? Is that a box Chevy?
Box Chevy.
Box Chevy?
Remember the last video I said I might get a box Chevy, right?
Right.
And I swapped it too in like a week.
A whole week. Oh, we know you're gonna be playing. Is that a LS Broham? Oh snap.
Yeah. I bought this for you, brother, for your birthday, man. But I missed it last week. I'm sorry, it's late. But yeah. I was gonna surprise you, but you showed up, so yeah.
Oh, LS Broham, Trifecta, LS. Technically, this could serve as the LS. So we can say the Trifecta is complete.
The LS for the LS.
So this is LS motor, and the LS Broham. And now,
LS is in the damn car.
LS is in it.
There you go.
Trifecta. They're gonna be like, what the hell? They're like, we ain't signed up for this. Name the video LS Trifecta Complete.
First of all, if y'all know me now, I ain't got a damn box yet. This is another project, man. Gonna be here now. Quick flip. You know, some shops can't do it. They put them things in, man. They can't finish them for whatever reasons.
And that's crazy to me. If Cortez could do it, if I could do it, one man band style, and you got a shop that can't do it?
They end up over here and, yeah.
Oh no, baby, what is you doing? Yeah, man, LS Trifecta. This one just happened to not be mine.
Or mine.
But I was in it. That's got to count for something, right?
Whoever owns this motherfucker, I'm assuming they're local somewhere right there. Probably gonna sell it. That's my car right there, man. Bullshit. Whatever.
Well,
other than that,
had to come
transmission built, y'all, for the boost. So
had to come to the doctor.
I Corvette servo and all that shit. Spring, sonics, valves, shift kit. Supposed to be all good to go. So whatever.
Yeah.
Oh boy left the seat for Chevelle. Y'all missed that. It rolled out yesterday.
He left it on purpose?
I don't know. He gonna come back. He gonna come back and get this motherfucker. So I don't
we not gonna use it.
I just now realized that thing's even there. Yeah, that shit gotta go. There's some tires. One buy some tires. 14s back there.
14s for sale.
Yes, sir.
Rims and tires.
Yeah.
You can even get the
Yeah, you
hubcaps.
got Buick on them. Yeah.
Good tread on them.
Yeah, well, they moved since damn 2009, so. No, that motherfucker drive a lot of
Oh yeah, I was just seeing that.
Well, that was bad. I don't know, whatever. I should just put them on their new burnouts until they pop. Right?
Yep. Pop, 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 pop.
Then that, got some motors. Yeah.
Got some motors.
Got some LS motors in here.
I'm collecting them like Pokemon.
Yeah. Got Pikachu.
Pikachu, Charizard,
Yeah.
fucking
Bowser
Mewtwo.
over here and shit.
That's Mewtwo on the end.
Yeah. That's the, well, that's going in the box Chevy we talked about last time.
Right, for Perry.
Our boy's box Chevy. I'm gonna cuss out there when I see him. Non-LS swap related conversation. But, this is gonna be his. Might be rolled down the street by any day. This one here is mine. This is actually this turned out to be a remanufactured Gen 4 5.3. After I cleaned it up and then seen the tag on the side of it.
See, y'all see the tag back there.
Yeah, it's remanufactured Gen 4 5.3. That's why I was like, why is it so clean inside already? Like,
Yeah.
all it took was like a can of oven cleaner and some damn super clean. Represent your boy.
Woo woo.
Well, I got the bottom of the can over there. Don't want to prove it, but yeah, thing is super clean, man, and yeah, she came out great. Super clean works wonders, y'all.
Yes.
Get you some.
Super clean for the within.
And then stumbled on a damn Gen 4 6.0 here. Yeah, square port.
Nothing major. Nothing major. Just another day in the life.
Another day in the life, man.
Another day in the
There we
life.
go. Super clean.
Dun, dun, dun,
I
dun.
like it. I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
Super clean, man. Other than that, yeah.
6.0 Gen Fizzo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got the piston with the little. Those are flat top, but they got the little dishes on the sides of them and shit. Or on the side, whatever else. I just put it together like literally like an hour ago. So it's not together. It's got like just two bolts holding these and everything just bolted on. So
Yeah.
I ain't got that shit open in the air. Figure out WD-40 the hell out of the insides of it, man. So sit here until figure out what we're gonna do with her. What's she gonna? What home is it gonna?
Where will she live?
Home is it gonna belong to? Yep.
Do you need another one of these covers?
I got plenty of them.
Oh, okay.
You got one?
Yeah. But I don't need it.
Where'd you stumble on one of these at?
At the yard.
At a regular yard?
Budget.
It's very interesting, so stay away from there.
It was a while ago because I was on.
That while ago you speak of, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was when you passed over this damn intake. Remember? Yeah, that's probably with.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I think it was.
It's probably the same damn one you fucking stumbled on. You looking at it.
Well, no, because it was on the premium side, and I seen the cover, and I was like,
Yeah. That's what it went to.
and I had a little Chevy bow tie, and I was like, well, I could put the Chevy bow tie on there, but then I was like, but this is for the colors, so yeah.
Yeah. That's probably the same one it went to.
No.
Wasn't it? Yeah.
Then I was gonna try to adapt it or whatever. Like, you know what?
Yeah.
I'm good. So now I got one. So I put it on Marketplace.
Interesting facts, sir. Interesting facts, man.
Put it on
man. Y'all see these motherfuckers here like Pokemons too, man. These intakes.
There's one right there.
Another one back there.
One right there.
Another one. Yeah.
I like everywhere.
Like a swap shop. So yeah.
Yeah.
Other than that, man, just making it happen, man. The Bringle, man, she coming together, man. Slowly but surely. You know what I'm saying? Y'all want to donate to a cause, man? Hit LS254's Cash App, man. Help me to read it together.
Yeah. So what's next?
What, this?
Other than turbo, other than the.
Oh, well, looks like this damn box Chevy out of here. Like, it's supposed to be out of here. It's supposed to put my roof in, but yeah, y'all seen the roof last time, so you know I'm doing the roof. But I don't want to do it in the sun. Like, right now it's prime time to do it because it's shade.
Yeah.
In like an hour. it's going to be dangerous.
It retracts very quickly.
Yeah. It's going to be dangerous hot out here. So the roof sun go in next in here. And then I got the rim blue sun gauges coming in for the gauges. I got the tablet coming in for the radio face. Not going to change the column on here because that column is A1 condition. And it has the windshield wipers on the column.
Oh, yeah.
Even though it's not a tilt, I don't care. It fits with it clearing. I already got it mocked up already with that, so.
Should be good to go.
And it's already LS swapped. So, yeah. I guess what's next with this is I'm debating on if I want to boost this one, because I really don't want to pull this damn motor out of this damn car. So I might just pay old boy for the damn, give him his money back what he put into it.
Yeah.
Which I ain't talked to in damn 5 months.
Yeah.
Since obviously he's not LS swap committed.
Yeah. You can't be dragging it out, man.
Yeah,
You gotta
you
commit.
can't buy no damn motor or whatever else. First of all, get your motor, bring it over here. You dump a little bit of money in like 2 parts.
Yeah.
A bracket and a damn throttle
Then
body.
they're supposed to hold it down forever.
Yeah, and then don't talk to me for 5 months.
Nah.
So I don't know. I don't know what's next. What's next, he's probably gets money back for that here like ASAP. And that Gen 4 is getting built for the boost.
For the boost.
I gotta play which one she's gonna go in.
No.
Something gotta come out. I don't know which one. More than likely, I don't know. I want to give her a break. I want to get her on the road.
No.
Yeah. And then her inside, I don't know if she's gonna do that.
Start to sound like me.
I don't know.
So many. We have multiple projects.
Crazy.
It definitely comes along, but
Crazy. But it's fun.
oh yeah,
It's fun.
wouldn't change it.
It's all work. We got started the inside. We got to keep it.
Wouldn't change it for the world.
Let's try the inside again. I don't know if you seen it last time or not. Still got a whole boy's house key again, man. Get rid of that shit. Something gonna happen. They gonna swear it was me. But yeah, just the mock-up once again, man. Just the mock-up. There you go, Blues Clues Hunters. Guess what that shit is? So yeah, so now instead of putting the shifter in here, I'm just gonna take the thing there and just fill that in.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Maybe put some more cup holders there. This place for a sunroof switch, equalizer, and I don't know, maybe some gauges, because I can't put them 4 gauges up there, so I might just put them on 4 right there.
Yeah, let's bring them down some.
If the AC control, if it stretches all the way back, instead of put it up top, I could put it down there. So I got options. Got choices.
We got options.
Figure it out.
Get it together.
Yeah.
But you know what it is? We ain't playing no games on this side.
Well, I didn't realize about G-bodies. That's where the original computer was. Y'all know that. Y'all G-body boys. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
They just ran inside. I mean, I've seen D-Brooks video talk about all the time and stuff, whatever, but
Oh,
that
yeah.
little holder right there actually almost would fit that if you modify it a little bit. And,
Oh, yeah, just stick it behind there.
yeah. Fuck all that. We ain't doing that shit. She's already mounted. She's already good. Yeah. That's about it, man. On this one. I don't know for now. Stay tuned for the amazing color though that's gonna go on here. Of course, with the Oh My Clear. Gotta hit grind up here soon. And get the Oh My on here, man, and then put the magical touch.
Definitely came along. She already looked like she ready. I was saying, like I said, them wheels make a car night and day. Like, she looked like she ready for the smoke.
Yeah. It's crazy though too, man.
She looked like she whistled.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, she might get the juice, man. She might get the juice.
Look like she whistled.
I don't know. It's hard to get in try. I get tried every day in this damn thing, man. Every damn day, man. I ain't got no AC in here, so I ain't got time to be playing with nobody in this motherfucker.
Right.
You trying to move for a purpose. Ain't because I want to go fast. Because I ain't got no air.
Trying to keep the airflow going.
They gonna race me and shit. Like, no, we ain't gonna try to stop like me sweating.
Right.
It's a nice car, man. Look.
Trying to get the flow going again.
Time for conversation at stoplight is hot. Where the hell I'm going to come on back home?
Yeah. So y'all know the moves, man. Steady working, steady grinding. So I'm sorry about the title. This was a little bit of clickbaity, but this is the LS Brougham with a LS motor, and I sat in it. And I sat in it, so it was the LS Trifecta Complete. Sorry, y'all, I won't do it again. I promise.
Y'all, because he's sponsored by
Super Clean. Alright, man, y'all have a good one. It's your boy, LS Chevy Rider, aka LS Trifecta. In the building. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strengths. I ain't gonna cancel my ass for this. Oh shit. LS Trifecta Complete. I sat in it, and it's a LS Brougham with an LS in it. I didn't say the title doesn't say I owned or I found one. It just says LS Trifecta Complete. So, as always, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity or procrastination. And remember,
hustle don't stop, grind don't stop
at all.
No.
Gone.